This is the cheapest razor upgrade you can do in 2025, and it is drill battery adapters and drill batteries. Okay, so we got the Craftsman 20-volt battery adapter for drill batteries right here. And it comes with, well, the $14 one you can choose. It comes with two, as you can see. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. It's on the drill battery adapter right now, and the link is in the description below if you want to check that out. But basically, you take off these, you cut these two wires from the stock batteries. And the reason I'm not keeping the stock batteries is because this bolt is like almost impossible to take off. Otherwise, I'd just place it right there in the tray. But here is just an easy spot. And so what you do is you put this negative plugs into that. We'll call that a connector. And then is combined. See, that connector is, this is the same one, and it is connected, is this red? Yeah, to the positive. So you connect the positive and negative together. And then you connect, where is it? So there's the first one. And it should, here's the second one. It comes with two, and you put the positive and negative, the extra ones, to the positive and negatives of this, which is the connector, which you just cut off from, here we go, these wires. And then you put your batteries in, or plug it in first, obviously. And what I'd suggest is maybe make sure the batteries are turned on. Maybe that'll help. And once it's plugged in, I'll show you guys how it works. And I'm going to put the plastics back on. It doesn't look that good, but it does keep my drill batteries safe because I also share them with the drill and the lawnmower. So I'm going to plug it in and show you guys how it works. So here's what it looks like with the batteries on from the back, sitting down. I don't necessarily like all these wires, so that's another reason why I'm turning it on or putting the plastic back on. But other than that, just turned on. Teehee, what happened? The batteries are plugged in. Oh, I see. I didn't plug it back in. Oops, the first thing I said to do. There we go. Turned on. And it should be at full power. I like to carry two extra ones in a backpack, just so if these die, it doesn't give you much of an accurate battery. Like, it doesn't tell you how long it really goes. But this will definitely double the range. Well, they are a bit smaller, and you can get like two more even and have 6 drill batteries and then go for a really long time.